Welcome back to the channel. Everybody, AI is everywhere right now, and it's not just about robots taking over the world, it's about opportunity. We're diving deep into how to use AI to make some serious cash, and I'm not talking about waiting years for this tech to mature. This is about using what's available right now to start generating income today. So whether you're tech savvy or just starting, this video is your complete guide to turning AI into a money-making machine. Let's get started. First up, we're tackling the AI making waves everywhere, ChatGPT. This revolutionary tool has been the talk of the town, and for good reason. It's not just a passing trend, it's a game changer in the world of writing and content creation. Now forget the hype for a second and think about what it actually does. It writes really, really well. Imagine having a tool that can generate text that is coherent, engaging, and tailored to your needs. It's like having a professional writer at your beck and call, 24/7. And that, my friends, is pure gold. The value of such a tool cannot be overstated. It's like striking a gold mine in the digital age, where content is king. Think about it, freelance writing is booming. The gig economy has opened up endless opportunities for writers. And with ChatGPT, you can tap into this market like never before. Whether you're a seasoned writer or just starting out, this tool can elevate your game. Websites, blogs, businesses, everyone needs content. In today's digital landscape, content is the lifeblood of online presence. From blog posts to articles, from website copy to newsletters, the demand for high-quality content is insatiable. With ChatGPT, you can pump out high-quality articles, website copy, even social media posts at a pace you couldn't imagine before. Imagine being able to meet tight deadlines without compromising on quality. It's like having a superpower in the world of content creation. But it's not just about churning out words, it's about creating meaningful, impactful content that resonates with your audience. ChatGPT can help you brainstorm ideas, refine your writing, and ensure that your content stands out in a crowded digital space. You can use ChatGPT to level up your YouTube game. Video content is more popular than ever, and having a tool that can help you script engaging videos is a game changer. Whether you're a vlogger, a business, or an educator, ChatGPT can help you create compelling video content, scripting videos, generating ideas, even translating subtitles. It's like having a whole production team at your fingertips. The possibilities are endless. You can focus on the creative aspects while ChatGPT handles the heavy lifting. And hold up, we are not done yet. There's so much more that ChatGPT can do. It's not just a writing tool, it's a versatile assistant that can help you in various aspects of your digital life. Ever imagined building your own AI chatbot? With ChatGPT, this is not just a dream but a reality. You can create intelligent chatbots that can interact with users, answer questions, and provide support. Businesses are scrambling to get those on their websites, and you can be the one to build it for them. Imagine the value you can provide to businesses by offering them a chatbot that enhances their customer service and engagement. ChatGPT can be the brains behind your chatbot, answering customer questions, taking orders, and freeing you up to rake in the profits. It's like having a tireless employee who works around the clock, ensuring that your business runs smoothly and efficiently. Command. Currently, the VO is 163 words long. Please expand it to be 440 words long. Next up, let's talk visuals. In today's digital age, visuals are more important than ever. They capture attention, convey messages quickly, and can evoke powerful emotions. Whether you're a content creator, a marketer, or just someone who loves art, having the ability to create stunning visuals can set you apart. AI image generators like DALL-E 2 and Midjourney are blowing minds with their ability to create stunning, unique art from scratch. These tools use advanced algorithms and vast datasets to generate images that can be hyper-realistic, abstract, or anything in between. The creativity they unleash is truly limitless, and guess what? People are willing to pay for it. The demand for unique, high-quality visuals is skyrocketing. Artists, designers, and even businesses are turning to AI-generated art to stand out in a crowded market. This opens up a world of opportunities for anyone with access to these tools. You can sell these AI masterpieces as prints, on t-shirts, even as NFTs. The possibilities are endless. Imagine turning your digital creations into physical products that people can wear or display in their homes. Or dive into the world of NFTs, where digital art can be bought, sold, and traded like never before. And the best part? You don't need to be a Picasso to do it. With AI, anyone can become an artist. The tools are user-friendly and designed to help you bring your vision to life, regardless of your skill level. It's all about experimenting, having fun, and seeing where your creativity takes you. But it's not just about creating art for art's sake. Think practically. AI-generated visuals can be a game changer for your projects. Whether you're working on a marketing campaign, a presentation, or a personal project, high-quality visuals can make all the difference. Need an eye-catching thumbnail for your latest YouTube video? AI's got you covered. Thumbnails are crucial for attracting viewers and increasing click-through rates. With AI, you can create professional-looking thumbnails in minutes, giving your content the best chance to shine. Tired of spending hours editing your videos? AI-powered video editing tools can handle everything from basic cuts to complex effects, freeing you up to focus on creating awesome content. These tools can analyze your footage, suggest edits, and even add special effects, making the editing process faster and more efficient. And here's a little secret: businesses are always hungry for high-quality visuals. In a world where content is king, visuals are the crown jewels. Companies need engaging images and videos for their websites, social media, advertisements, and more. This demand creates a lucrative market for those who can provide top-notch visuals. Offer your AI-powered image and video services and watch the clients roll in. Whether you're a freelancer looking to expand your offerings or a business aiming to enhance your visual content, AI tools can give you a competitive edge. So harness the power of AI, unleash your creativity, and turn your passion for visuals into a thriving venture. Let's get down to business, literally. In today's fast-paced world, efficiency is key, and having the right tools can make all the difference. AI is a game changer for automating tasks and streamlining your workflow. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting, imagine having a personal assistant that never sleeps, never makes mistakes, and can handle multiple tasks simultaneously. First up, resumes. We all hate writing them, right? The endless tweaking, the constant revisions, and the pressure to make it perfect can be overwhelming. But AI can whip up professional-looking resumes tailored to specific job descriptions in minutes. It analyzes the job description, highlights your relevant skills, and formats everything neatly. No more stressing over every word or layout. Offer this service to job seekers, and you're in business. Think about it. A steady stream of clients needing top-notch resumes, all created effortlessly with AI. Next, let's talk marketing. AI-powered tools can analyze data, identify trends, and even personalize marketing campaigns, making sure your message hits the right audience at the right time. Imagine knowing exactly what your customers want before they do, and delivering it in a way that feels personal and engaging. And for all you digital nomads out there, how does flipping websites sound? It's a lucrative venture that combines creativity with business acumen. AI can help you identify undervalued websites, optimize their content, and even automate the buying and selling process. It can analyze traffic patterns, SEO potential, and market trends to find hidden gems. It's like having a real estate agent for the digital world. You can buy low, enhance the site's value, and sell high, all with the help of AI. The possibilities are endless, and the potential for profit is significant. So whether you're looking to streamline your current business or start a new venture, AI is your secret weapon. Now, for those of you who like to get your hands dirty in the code, AI offers a whole new world of opportunity. Remember those AI-powered apps we talked about earlier? Well, someone's got to build them. With AI coding assistants, you can develop sophisticated apps that leverage machine learning and natural language processing, even if you're not a coding wizard. But it's not just about building apps for the masses. Businesses are clamoring for custom AI solutions tailored to their specific needs. Think inventory management systems that predict demand, chatbots that handle customer service, or even algorithms that personalize product recommendations. This is where the real money is at, folks. By mastering AI coding and development, you're positioning yourself at the forefront of a technological revolution. Finally, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, passive income. That's right, you can use AI to make money even while you sleep. Remember how ChatGPT can write like a pro? Put it to work creating ebooks and online courses on topics people are hungry to learn about. Upload them to platforms like Amazon Kindle, Direct Publishing, or Udemy and watch the passive income roll in. But it gets even better. AI can be your personal stockbroker or crypto trader, analyzing market trends, identifying profitable trades, and even executing them automatically. Now, I'm not saying it's a guaranteed path to riches, but with the right AI tools and a bit of knowledge, you can automate your investments and potentially grow your wealth while you focus on other things. So there you have it, folks. AI isn't just some futuristic fantasy. It's a powerful tool you can use right now to boost your income and achieve your financial goals. Whether you're a writer, an artist, an entrepreneur, or a tech enthusiast, there's an AI-powered opportunity out there waiting for you. So what are you waiting for? Dive in, experiment, and start building your AI-powered future today. The possibilities are endless.